Let me tell you about a case from Ireland that started with what looked like a normal teenage house party and ended inside the courtroom. You know the kind of party? Music too loud, too many people in one house, teenagers thinking they are more grown up than they actually are, parents probably asleep, somewhere thinking everything is fine. But this night did not end with messy kitchens and hangovers. It ended with a criminal trial. In Dublin, a teenage boy has now been sent forward for a trial in the Central Criminal Court after serious allegations connected to a house party. And before we go further, remember this clearly. He has not entered the plea and the trial has not happened yet. What we are talking about today is what the court has heard so far. So let's go back to the beginning. Both teenagers were in their mid teens. They already know each other. According to court details, they had kissed at a previous social event and had been in contact on the social media before the party. So this was not strangers meeting for the first time. They already had some kind of connection. On the night of the party, the girl had been there for several hours. Everything seemed normal. Friends, music, a typical social gathering. Then, late in the night, things changed. She became unwell. She went to the bathroom because she felt sick. And this is the moment where the entire story shifts from party night to police investigation. The court heard that she asked the boy to help her. She lay on the bathroom floor because she was unwell. What happened next is now the subject of the upcoming trial. The court heard allegations that while she was still unwell, sexual activities happened in the bathroom. The girl later said she told him to stop. The court was told that he did stop. She left the party soon after. And this is the moment the story moves into the criminal justice system. She made a complaint to the guards. That decision changed everything. She attended the sexual assault treatment unit. This step is very important in investigations like this. Medical staff carry out examination and collect forensic sample to help investigator understand what happened. Samples were taken. Semen was found in those samples. The girl also took part in a specialist interview with the Divisional Protective Service unit a few weeks later. This unit deals with serious cases involving vulnerable victims. Meanwhile, months passed. About 3 months after the party, the accused teenager attended a Garda interview. The court heard that he cooperated, went to the station voluntarily, and gave his account in prepared statement. And now we move to the courtroom stage. The boy appeared at Dublin Children's Court with his parents beside him. Because he is under 18, the law protects his identity, so he cannot be named. He has not entered a plea. During this court appearance, something very important happened. He was served with what he called a book of evidence. This is a major step in Irish criminal law. It means prosecutors believe there is enough evidence to move the case forward to a trial. Now, here is where things get more serious. In Ireland, rape charges must be heard in the Central Criminal Court. It is the only court allowed to deal with those charges. But the defense asked the judge to consider separating the sexual assault charge and dealing with it in the children court instead. The state disagreed. Prosecutors argued that separating the charges would mean two trials and more stress for everyone involved. They said both charges should be heard together in the higher court. The judge agreed with the director of public prosecutions. And just like that, the teenager was sent forward for trial in the Central Criminal Court on both charges. That decision is the turning point of this story so far, because being sent forward for trial does not mean guilty. It means the case is moving to a full trial where a jury will hear evidence and decide what happened. The boy was remanded on bail. No trial date has been set yet. And this is where the story stands right now. two teenagers, one night, a party that changed everything, a case now hidden to one of the most serious courts in Ireland. Cases like this always shake communities. Parents start asking questions. Teenagers start realizing how fast situations can change, and the legal process now moves forward slowly and carefully. The trial will examine evidence, hear testimony, and the jury will decide the outcome. Right now, we are in the tense waiting stage, the part where the investigation is over, but the full story has not been told in court yet. And in Irish true crime, this moment is often just the beginning. If you want fast updates on Irish true crime, subscribe. We cover everything before it hits mainstream headlines. Thank you.